It's such a pretty place. Free camp. Plenty of room for camping. But there is no public toilets or any amenities for anyone, so you need to be self-contained with it all. And that's on the other side of the river. If you come to this side, you can park anywhere you want as well, along the side of the river here. And there's plenty of grassland on the other side. Ed, use those muscles. Oh. Oh. Is that for the fire tonight, is it, Ed? Okay, we're going to check out the Calliope River. Plenty of camping spots. There's grassed areas, dirt areas, sandy areas. Just park wherever you like, as long as everyone around you is happy. There's also a boat ramp to get into the Calliope River.